Mother's Day is just around the corner, and we are going to make a cute handmade gift bag. This tutorial is perfect for a gift without a box or any oddly shaped items. So be sure to watch till the end to learn all the techniques. A sheet of gift wrapping paper with a fan motif or pattern on it would be perfect for this design. I have a beautiful spring paper created by Tricia from Modern Pressed Flower. Please check out the link in the description below. Place your gift wrap sheet vertically in the portrait position. Turn the paper over and fold up the end in about 2 inches or 5 cm. By doubling the paper, you can reinforce the strength of the handle. For heavier items, you might want to insert an additional cardboard in between. Do the same on the other side. Rotate the paper to have one of the length side toward yourself and fold up a little for the tape margin. Fold back the corners in a triangle. Repeat the same steps on the other side. This will also help to have nice folded side edges. Fold in half to create a bag shape. Continue to fold the bottom corners in a triangle. Fold in opposite direction. We are going to decorate the top with mini paper doilies. Prepare enough to place them across the width of the bag. Fold in half. Spread to position them along the top edge. Attach them with double-sided tape to secure the position. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Make sure to secure the back side also. Place a strip of double-sided tape along the corner crease. And fold in the corner. tape to close the end. Do the same on the other side to close the bottom corners. Let's continue to close the sides. Place double-sided tape all along the edge and close. Repeat the same step. The back is done. You can go ahead to place a gift inside, then close the top with tape or sticker, or wrap a ribbon around the package. We are going to continue to create handles for the back. Punch 2 holes at the top. Measure the ribbon to the length of the handle you like. Cut 2 in the same length. Pull ribbon through the holes, making sure ends are coming out from the inner side of the back. Turn the back over and put the ribbon through the holes on the other side. Make sure the ends of the ribbon are the same length. Tie knots at the ends of the ribbon. And cut the ends short. And done. Place some tissue paper inside to protect the gift and bag. Place the gift inside. This is a larger size bag using a full gift wrap sheet. You can adjust the size by cutting the original paper smaller. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a lovely Mother's Day!